Hello everyone, today's menu will be pork belly stir fry. It is so delicious and so flavorful, so if you're ready, let's get cooking. In this small bowl right here, I have some honey and I'm going to add in some Korean hot pepper paste. It just kind of depends on how spicy I like it that day. Today I'm just probably gonna do maybe just a couple tablespoons. And then here I have some soy sauce. And then just a little bit of some lime juice. You can use lemon juice too if you want. I'm just going to mix it up to combine well. And if you don't have a Korean hot pepper paste, you can go ahead and use sriracha too. Okay. And then I'm just going to set this to the side until ready to use. Okay, now we're going to work with some vegetables. And here I have half of a medium onion. And I'm just going to chop it up. If you want, you can go ahead and use a whole onion. But for today, I'm just going to use half of a medium onion. And you can use whichever onion you prefer. I'm just going to set this to the side. And then I'm going to work with my green onions. I'm going to cut off the ends. And then I'm just going to slice them up diagonally about 2 inches. And then just set it aside. Pick that one up. And then here we have some bell pepper, and these are 2 red bell peppers. I already cored them and took out the seeds and rinsed them. And then I'm just going to thinly slice them. You can use whichever bell peppers that you prefer. You could use a green one or the yellow one too, or the orange one. But I have the red one, so this is the one I'm going to be using today. Just gonna place that back onto the plate. I love using the multicolor bell pepper just because they taste a little bit sweeter for me. But the green onions, of course, I love that one also. Just not as much as the multicolor. And then we're gonna work on some pork belly. I have about a pound of pork belly here. I already chopped some up over here, but we're gonna work with this one. I'm just gonna cut it in half. And then I'm just going to cut them into thin strips. Just like this. You can go thinner if you want. Or, if you want, you can go ahead and just cut them in bigger chunks. But for this dish, I'm going to make it thin. I love eating pork belly. It's one of my favorite cuts of meats. Maybe not the best cuts of meats, but it is delicious, you guys. If you never had pork belly before, definitely should give this recipe a try. You won't be disappointed. And if you don't have pork belly on hand and you can't find it anywhere, then you can go ahead and just use any pork. Like pork shoulder, pork butts. Still gonna taste delicious. That should be good. Okay, now that my pan is nice and hot, I'm just gonna add a couple tablespoons of oil. And then we're gonna add in the pork. And then you'll want to cook this for about 5 minutes. Okay, after 5 minutes, we're going to add in the sauce that we made earlier. Just gonna give it a quick mix. Just pour that all over. And then just going to mix it up. And then you want to continue cooking for another 10 more minutes. And then after 10 minutes, I'm just going to add in the onions. Along with some garlic powder. And just a little bit of salt. And then some black pepper. I'm just going to mix it up to combine. You guys, this smells so good. Okay, at this point, I'm going to cover it. Okay, it's been about 8 minutes. I'm just going to give it a quick stir. And then at this point, I'm going to add in the bell peppers. And then I'm just going to add in a little bit of water. Then mix them up. Okay, and then I'm just going to close the lid and continue cooking. I did cook it for 25 minutes total, and now I'm going to add in some green onions. Give it a quick stir. So yeah, like I said, I did cook it for 25 minutes total, and then I did add more water. Cook for another 2 more minutes, and then we are ready to serve. Here is the end results and the best part, the taste test. Now let's dig right on in and see how it is, you guys. All right, there we go. Delicious. Let me try get the peppers. There we go. That's it. This is so good. So flavorful, you guys. Perfect amount of sweetness, saltiness, spiciness. It is perfect, you guys. If you guys would like to give this recipe a try, the measurements are in the description box down below. Make sure you guys go and check that out, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.